Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you made it. Today I am going to be doing the Mama Charm from May 2026 Resin Mold Box monthly subscription. I'm not quite sure how something this size is classified as a charm. I don't feel like you can use it on a purse. I don't think you can wear it as a necklace. So I don't really know what to do with it. But I do know what to do with these colors that I have right here. I have some pink and green. Now I don't know what this is. It's like decorative fill, it says. It kind of feels sandy. It kind of feels super small crystals. So I'm not really sure what it is. But I got these at the Goodwill, and they are from Michael's. So I saved quite a bit of money getting them at Goodwill instead. And many of you might know what I'm going for here. I am going for a Wicked theme. I have my Let's Resin already mixed up. I am going to pour in my decorative fill into the little cups. I don't need much. It only requires 1.3 ounces for this charm. So I have just about that made up. I have a little bit more. You never know with these things. So I'm going to mix in my pink and mix in my green. Get those coated in resin. And then we're going to pour it. And I am going to do it split, so half and half pink, half green. Try to get it so it meets up in the middle of Mama. I think that would look good. This will be quick and easy, quick little resin project. That looks good and mixed, so let's move some stuff out of my way here. I am just going to grab my isopropyl alcohol, give my mold a squirt, make sure to get into those little curves in there, especially around the heart too, I think, and through the top bumps of Mama. Swoosh it around a little bit, make sure it's all up in there. And I am going to make sure the pink is on the side where the heart is. So I'm going to start there, get it around my heart first. This is pretty thick and gritty, so I think it is the colored sand, which should look really good. Oh, it's going to sink though, because it's so heavy. That's all right though, because I want the color to be at the front of it anyway. It's okay if it has clear on the back. Now, if any of you have this mold, what have you done with it, or what are you going to do with it? Because I am really curious how we are supposed to use this. I just don't see this working as a charm, unless you're Flavor Flav, of course. All right, well, I am just going to finish pouring. Get the Mama part filled up and go around those edges and have them meet halfway. I think the color combination is going to be perfect. Dare I say wicked perfect? Okay, sorry. That was the last one, I promise. I won't do it anymore. I am just going to put this next part on a little bit of a fast forward, because all I'm doing is filling in the rest of this mold. Pretty easy and straightforward. I am just going to finish pouring this in. My dog is dreaming in the background. I don't know if you can hear him or not. Giving little woofs in his sleep. Poor boy. Wonder what he's chasing. Maybe he's chasing someone with this mama charm. Okay, so we will finish this, and I will give it a spray of isopropyl alcohol and set it aside to cure. Alrighty, the mama charm is completely cured, and it looks like the color has stayed exactly where I put it. It didn't merge really. A little bit over in the mama word itself. Not exactly split down the middle, but it looks really good. So I'm okay with that. Let's get it out of the mold and see how the front of it looks. Alright, there we go. There we have our mama charm. I love the wicked colors. It looks so good. Yeah, it's not bad. It doesn't feel gritty. The sand did sink in the color, but it looks good. Alright, well, I don't know what to do with it. If you have an idea, I would love to hear it. And tell me down below in the comments what you think it could be used for, or what you used it for. Here is a couple pictures of the only thing I could think of. I'm just using it as a sun catcher right now. Thanks for watching.